Hello, and welcome to Lesson 7. Did you know that by the end of 2025, the influencer marketing industry is projected to reach $32.55 billion, up from $21.1 billion in 2023? For centuries, people have relied on recommendations from folks they trust. If your friend raves about a new coffee shop, you're probably more likely to try it than if you just see an ad. If a respected expert in your field suggests a tool, you pay attention. Influencer marketing works on that exact same principle, just amplified for the digital age. In this lesson, you will understand influencer marketing, learn the difference between influencers and affiliates, find and select the right influencers with Upfluence, set clear goals and create good contracts, budget smart for your campaigns, and measure their success, and build and grow relationships with influencers for long-term impact. In simple terms, influencer marketing is a strategy where brands partner with individuals who have established credibility and a loyal following within a specific niche. These individuals are influencers, share your brand's message, products, or services with their audience, essentially giving you a trusted endorsement. It's about leveraging their influence, their voice, and the trust they've built with their community. Instead of shouting your message into the void with traditional ads, you're having it whispered by someone their audience already listens to. This makes your message feel less like an advertisement and more like a genuine recommendation from a friend. To give you an idea of how effective this can be, consider brands like Audible, the audiobook giant, Sprint, which heavily used influencers in its past mobile campaigns, Blue Apron, the popular meal kit delivery service, and even lynda.com, now LinkedIn Learning, an online education platform. All of these companies have found great success using this approach, leveraging the unique spheres of influence these creators inhabit to reach new audiences and convert them into loyal customers. Now, before we go too much further, it's important to clarify a common point of confusion: the difference between an influencer and an affiliate. While they can sometimes overlap, their primary roles are distinct. An influencer's main goal is to generate awareness and consideration for a brand. They use their voice and creativity to tell a story, share their experience, and build trust, encouraging their audience to consider your product or service. An affiliate, on the other hand, is primarily focused on driving direct sales and earning a commission on those sales. They'll often use unique links or codes to track purchases, and their content is usually very conversion focused. For example, companies like Amazon offer robust affiliate programs. While both can drive results, influencers focus on the relationship and recommendation, while affiliates focus directly on trackable transactions. When we talk about influencers, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. We categorize them based on their audience size, and each tier offers unique benefits. At the smallest end, we have nano influencers, typically with 1,000 to 10,000 followers, acting as highly engaged community experts. Stepping up are micro influencers, ranging from 10,000 to 50,000 followers, who offer a more established reach while often maintaining strong engagement in their niches. Beyond them are macro influencers, with audiences between 50,000 and 500,000, bringing broader visibility and a polished content style. Finally, at the top are mega influencers, the social media celebrities boasting over 500,000 followers, sometimes millions, who can provide immense reach and significant brand exposure. Understanding these tiers helps us choose the right partners for different campaign goals. Now you might be thinking, why not just find one mega influencer and be done with it? This brings us to a crucial strategy. Diversifying your influencers is often more effective than relying on a single large one. Let's illustrate this. Imagine you have a budget to reach 50,000 followers. You could partner with one influencer who has exactly 50,000 followers and focuses on, say, only gaming content. That's one broad reach into one interest area. However, consider this alternative: working with, say, 5 micro-influencers, each with around 10,000 followers, for a combined total of 50,000 followers. The magic here is that these 5 influencers likely cater to 5 different but still relevant niche interests within your target audience. This allows you to tap into different communities, reaching more targeted and highly engaged followers who truly care about those specific niches. This diversified approach can often lead to higher engagement, better conversion rates, and a more resilient campaign, as you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. To put this into a broader context, think about influencer marketing as a system, much like the input process output (IPO) model shown here. Your inputs are the raw materials, the influencers and advocates you choose, the content you collaborate on, and the opportunities you create. These are the fuel for your campaign. The platform then acts as your process stage, where you actively manage relationships with your influencers, manage the content creation and distribution, and manage the value exchange, what you offer them and what they deliver. This is where the magic happens, transforming your inputs. Finally, the outputs are your results, the social outcomes like increased brand mentions and engagement, the marketing outcomes such as website traffic and lead generation, and ultimately the business outcomes like increased sales and profitability. By diversifying your inputs, you create a more robust process that can lead to more varied and impactful outputs across all these levels. It's about building a strong, flexible system for sustained growth. Let's look at a fantastic real-world example of strategic influencer marketing, HelloFresh. They consistently excel in this space and have developed a robust brand ambassador program. Their approach isn't just about getting digital mentions. They demonstrate a savvy balance, often integrating localized experiential events with their digital outreach. This combination creates a deeper, more tangible connection with potential customers. A core part of their success lies in their heavy focus on micro-influencers, those with anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000 followers. HelloFresh understands that these influencers, while having smaller audiences than mega influencers, often possess a much higher level of trust and engagement within their specific niche communities. By partnering with a large volume of these micro-influencers, HelloFresh effectively reaches a diverse array of highly engaged demographics, from busy parents looking for quick meal solutions to health-conscious individuals seeking fresh ingredients, or even foodies exploring new recipes. This data-driven approach allows them to continually optimize their campaigns and focus on the most effective collaborations, demonstrating a sophisticated understanding of both broad reach and targeted impact.